Are you facing the frustrating error message that says, "Missing required configuration bootstrap.servers"? You're not alone. Today, we will tackle this common issue in Apache Kafka and get your producer class running smoothly. I totally understand how annoying it is to see error messages when you're just trying to get your code to work. This specific error can really throw a wrench in your plans, especially when you're eager to see your producer in action. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user recently encountered the error message, org.apache.common.config.ConfigException, missing required configuration bootstrap.servers, which has no default value while running their producer class in Eclipse. Sound familiar? If so, let's work through this together. So what does this error mean? Essentially, the Kafka producer needs to know where to send the messages, and that's specified by the bootstrap.servers configuration. Without it, the producer doesn't know where to connect, leading to this error. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to help you avoid this error in the future. To resolve the error regarding the missing configuration, the user should first check the property key for the bootstrap servers. In the provided code, it is incorrectly set as bootstrap.server instead of bootstrap servers. Next, the user should ensure that the Kafka server is running on the specified host and port. This is crucial because the producer needs to connect to the Kafka broker to send messages. After correcting the property key and ensuring the Kafka server is running, the user should also verify that the serializers are correctly specified. In the code, there is a typo in the value serializer. Finally, the user can run the producer class again. If all configurations are correct, the producer should successfully send messages to the specified topic without any errors. Fun fact, did you know that Kafka was originally developed at LinkedIn? It has since become one of the most popular tools for real-time data streaming. Now, let's get your producer working. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests two key changes to fix the configuration error. First, replace bootstrap.server with bootstrap.servers in your properties. This is crucial because bootstrap.servers is the correct configuration key. Second, correct the typo in the serializer path by changing org.apache.kafka.cpmmon.serialization.string serializer to org.apache.kafka.common.serialization string serializer. Here's a quick tip. Always double-check your configuration keys and values when working with Kafka. A small oversight can lead to frustrating errors, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. And there you have it. Your Kafka producer should be up and running now. Remember, attention to detail is key in programming. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.